Alrighty folks, hello everybody. We're back here at Thunder Valley CB Shop. Remember we were talking about the wall. You guys bring me stuff, we're going to have a contest, right? Bring me something cool, something funny. I'm going to pick 2 people a month to win the contest. We're already getting some cool stickers in. And I got this one I really like. Remember that, guys. Skilled labor isn't cheap. Cheap labor is not skilled. Alright, we're starting to get some stuff on here. That's pretty cool. Alright folks, I want to thank everybody for your business. I already sold 3 of these this week. Sold one of the Black Widows, red, white, and blue. Still got 2 Monkey Maids. And we sold out of all the big radios. So I got more Connexes coming. I'm still trying to get some Strikers, but they're on back order. This one's shipping out today. Alright folks, please follow me on social media. And go to my YouTube page, Thunder Valley CB Shop, and subscribe to it. I sure would appreciate it. Thank you all. God bless and stay safe.